This is the Orona at Stones Corner Village in Brisbane, in the most dead mall I've ever seen. It's a mid-range Orona, installed by Advanced Lifts when they still installed these. It's got Fermator doors, unfortunately. Let's have a look. That panel's been blown up. Build quality, it's okay. Show you how depressing this place looks when I finish this, but this place is being demolished to make way for a new apartment building, which should also have some public lifts. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it has the motor up there, but the cabinet's down on the ground floor. Yeah, Oronas are like okay-ish, cheaper lifts, but they're definitely not meant to last that long, for sure. Have a look at this place. It's honestly depressing. It's dead. Everything's closed except for LD, pretty much. And like chemist. Yeah, that's pretty much it.